Hello again. This is a Faithful Planner Girl, and I thought today I would show you my Created to Create pin bag. This is what I have been showing off in my last few videos. If you haven't seen any of my linked videos, you can see down below. I've been sharing my bags, and the Illustrated Faith bag is one of them. And I've also showed me and my Big Ideas planner bags. So be sure to check the links down below. Okay, the only thing I haven't gotten into is this bag that, as you can see, goes with me on every bag that I take. I mean, every time, any traveling, I have to have this with me. Now, if you don't know, this has elastic band on it, which is great for when you need to put it onto your Bible. You just slide this elastic band right down there on that. So any book, any Bible, it can ride along right with it. So if this is all you wanted to take with you, you could do so. You don't have to have all these other bags. I would suggest getting a small one and then maybe working your way up to a larger bag. Okay, so today is what is in this bag. All right, my Faber-Castell artist pins. The ones I've been saying that are great in a Bible because you can highlight with them and they do not bleed through. So this is excellent for a Bible. Okay. And this I seem to always run out of. I always need little extra tiny little letters. I usually do them like to and the little small letters that you put in between your titles. I use those a lot. This is the Tim Holtz Ideology little label letters. I got lucky and found these. Oh, I'm kind of thinking I saw a couple at Joann's I might have picked up. Yeah. About 3 of them at Joann's, and I think I also found another set on clearance at Tuesday Mornings. So check with them. They have great ideas. Some more things, since I don't have in this bag all my washi, I bring like another little washi book with me. And sometimes I have a little credit card that I wrap just a few strands of different washi with me, so I can take that on the go. This again, I believe I found at Michael's. It's just a little booklet of washi and stickers. I always have to take some kind of labels with me. I have made errors. Oh, duh, don't we all? I'm not perfect, and I will never claim to be perfect, and none of us are. Only God is perfect, so here's to hide my mistakes. If you see this in my Bibles, and later on you'll see them, that's exactly what I've done. I just use a label and I just write right over, whatever was there. I just hide it. You can hide your little boo-boos and your mistakes. We all have them. I always take a stamp roller to do the date. And let me just kind of pour out the rest of this. Let me adjust you down here. So sorry about that. Maybe you can see this a little bit better. But I have to have scissors. These Cutter Bee scissors are really sharp and really good for fine tip, cutting. So those are always nice to have, especially if you've done some print and pray that you've print it out on paper, I'll stick those papers along with me and then print them out on the go sometimes too while I'm gone. Or just cut them out and put them in the little baggies. I have to have glue sticks because I normally use tape runners, but when you're traveling, they're usually cumbersome, take up a lot of room, so I just throw in a couple of those, and they're a lot cheaper to use. I have some Illustrated Faith pens, and they have different nibs on them. Some that are really, really fine, and other ones that aren't quite as fine. Let's see, this is the 0.25, and this is the 0.65. That's the difference of the tips. And then I have to have extra highlighters. These are gel highlighters that I really, really enjoy. I use those all the time in my devotional that I've shared too. These are the ones that I use, and I color code them so that I know what to look for when I see the color. It makes me remember if it was Christ or if this is something for me to reread. Also, these are great. They're cheaper. They're the Sharpie gel highlighters. I absolutely love the gel highlighters. I've really gotten to have them as my friends, and these are some other ones that I found. The other ones I got at Hobby Lobby. Okay, then I have some regular just pens, and a lot of you may have seen these. These are the Papermate, the Ink Joy Gel. It's a 0.7, and they are very, very nice to write with. I do a lot of my scriptures by using these pens. I have a couple more Sharpie pens besides the other stack that I've been showing you that were fine lines. I also use these for writing, journaling in my Bible. Love those. No bleed through. And everybody knows Micron pens. You have to have at least one or more. So that's also always in my bag. And this is just a regular Signo pen for regular writing, just on scratch paper or whatever I'm doing at the time. So see, this also is a bag that holds an awful lot. And like I say, these always go with me. I can just stuff them onto whichever Bible I grab, devotional Bible, journaling Bible, whatever. Or I grab this bag and stuff it in a larger bag, or even my great big monster pink bag that I use. So I hope that I have been able to answer a sister's question that she was curious about seeing my Illustrated Faith bags and my pen bag. And again, thank you for watching.